In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a complete beginner's guide to the Amai pre-order manager and notifier. So this basically is an all-in-one, unlimited usage pre-order app with coming soon, back in stock, and a lot more alerts like that. It's such a great app to use, especially if you have products that go in and out of stock and people want to get notified. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is install it. I'm going to leave a link down below. You can click on that link and it will take you to this page here, which allows you to install it. And from here, we want to go ahead and press the install button. Now, once you do that, it's going to go ahead and install it onto your Shopify store. It might take a few seconds to load, depending on how fast your Wi-Fi is. It's going to bring up this pop-up here. You want to just press install down here. And once you've done that, it should be ready to go. Now, the app does give you a 14-day free trial, but after that, it is going to be $24.95 a month, or about £20 per month. If you're okay with that, press approve. I'd recommend just giving it a shot anyway, and if you don't like it, you can just delete it, and you won't be charged as long as you do it within the 14-day period. So once we press that and approved it, it should be on our store, and we should be ready to set it all up and get it working. Now, the very first step that we need to do here is we need to go ahead and install it on our store. So it's going to ask us to check if the theme is 2.0. It says successfully detected. So we're going to go ahead and set up the pre-order button. Now, to do that, it's going to open up our Shopify store here, and it's going to load up. And what we want to do is we just want to go ahead and press add block and go over to apps. And here we're going to see the different blocks that this app has. So it has the notify me button, it has the pre-order button, the shipping date container, and the terms and conditions. So let's just try the notify me button to start off with. I'm going to drag it underneath the buy button. And you can see here, the button is here. It says notify me when available. So I'm going to press save, and we can just see that that is working. Now, over here on the app embed section, we might want to turn this on. So pre-order embed, we want to turn this one on here. And we also want to turn off any apps that might interfere with this app. So any other pre-order apps or anything that might get in the way, make sure we've turned those off so this one works seamlessly. So once we've done that, we can go back over here and we can preview it just to make sure it works. I don't think it's on this product page. It's not on here for some reason. But if you see it, then you can just press yes, you see it. If you don't, you can contact support. I'm just going to press yes because I think it should be there. So cool. We've done that, and now we are ready to go. So there's a ton of different features that we can actually use inside of this app. Here's the main dashboard. It shows you some announcements. This is like announcements about the app itself. We have the pre-order sales chart, so how many sales you've actually got from pre-orders. The top selling by value, so the top selling pre-order. You've also got the pre-order low stock alert, the notify me subscribers, and the coming soon stuff. So that's pretty cool data, and you can change the data ranges, stuff like that. And if you want to, you can view these reports more in depth if it's useful to you in any kind of way. Over here we have our analytics. So again, we can check the date range here, and we can export all of this data into a CSV file. Now here is where we're going to actually set up the stuff. So we've got this product here, for example, and we can select if we want it to be coming soon, notify me, or pre-order. So coming soon is going to be it's coming soon. Now notify me basically means that it's going to notify users when it's come out. And to turn this on, we have to have our email set up. I'll teach you how to do that in a second. Then we have the pre-order here, which means that they can purchase it before it's available. There we go. So that's pretty simple to do like that. And if we want to, we can go into the default settings here. And these are going to be the default settings for this product. So pre-order is active. If pre-order is closed due to limit or date, display sold out. So that's the display message. You can do partial payments, so maybe they want a deposit. You can select all of those different things in there. You can also do stuff like payment plans in here as well. We've got the pre-order discount, so we can do that. We can set that up in the settings page. It's going to be the button text, just basically some text options here. We've got the pre-order limit, so maybe one per person, the schedule, the estimated shipping date, and the locations. And we can also have a badge here if we want to, and that's just going to be on the top of the photo. And with this, we can change the color. I put it like probably like a light blue or something. And we can select where it is on the image, and we can even select the text color as well. We can also turn on terms and conditions, and these basically terms and conditions mean they have to apply or accept them before they purchase it, so they can't do anything weird. I'm going to turn off this setting here. I'm going to press apply. I'm not sure why it's not working. I think it should work. I think it's just these are just the default settings now. But yeah, just save those settings and it should be ready to go. So we can now look on our product page and we can see that the coming soon button is actually here, just as we wanted it to be. So yeah, that's good to go, and it basically works as it's supposed to. So now we have some notify me setup settings. So we have to put a send email in here, and this is the email that you're going to be sending from. So this should be your store email, something like info@yourstore.com or whatever sending email you have. And this is just going to be like the builder, so you can change the header, you can change the colors, the greetings, the product notifications, the sender name, the button design. Basically, you can change all of the little features inside of here so that people will be notified via email that you've got a pre-order coming out, and they can go ahead and actually purchase it or pre-order it. You've also got the same sort of editor for the pop-up settings and the registration ones here. It's pretty simple to use, and you can just press save when you're ready to go. We have the pre-order email, so we can edit the template here. We've got stuff like the estimated delivery notification, the actual delivery notification, and the delay notification. So if you want to send any emails like that to your customers. Over here we have the calendar, so we can turn this on and we can select when pre-orders are going to be ready for certain products and when they're going to be ready to order. We have a pre-order cancellation thing here, so if you want to cancel it, we can turn that on and it allows them to get a full or partial refund for that. We've got our general settings over here, so we can add this widget onto our confirmation page, for example. And we just have some other general app settings over here which you might find useful. You can just have a look at those if you need to. Now we have our design over here, so we can change the design, things like the button color. It's a pretty cool like designer here. It shows you what the button's going to look like. You can change the width, you can change the height, you can change it just so it fits your theme a little bit better and doesn't stand out. You can change your border color, all that kind of stuff in there. You can change this with the coming soon button too, and the notify me button, and the estimated shipping date buttons as well. So it's very simple to use, just like that. I'm just going to press leave. Now we've already installed it. This is where you can suggest an idea to them. And then you have your just settings here, just general settings that you can kind of go through if you need to. But that's basically how you use the Amai pre-order manager or Shopify app. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below that it helped you out, and let me know if you have any other videos you'd like me to make. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.